All right, folks, so according to psychologists, your self-love practices can contribute to the success of your business. But for our next guest, she turned a self-love practice into a business. She's a fitness enthusiast and owner of a Anique Fitness, among other things. Her name is, well, she don't own among other things, but she's not only a fitness enthusiast, and she does other things than what we're going to be talking about. Her name is Anique Bartley. Hey, Anique, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Hi, thanks for having me, Neville.
All right, so tell me about the story. Where we start here? You wanted to lose some weight. That's where this started.
Yes, so back in 2017, I recorded my highest weight at 175 pounds. Now, I am 5 feet 3 inches, right? So being 175 and being 5 feet 3 inches, that would put my BMI at about 31. Now, a BMI greater than 30 is classified as obese. So at 22 years old, 175 pounds and 5 feet 3 inches, I was obese. And I think that was the wake-up call that I needed.
Why that happened? What was going on in your life? Why did you understand that you were getting too big, or you just get up one morning and say, no, I don't like how I feel, or what?
No, so I think, we always realize when we're gaining weight. But I think the defining moment was when I went on the scale and I was like 175 pounds. That was a wake-up call. I was eating, I was depressed at that time. It was a very rough year for me. But then I realized that I needed to take control of my body.
Right.
That's one thing I have control over. So I needed to take control of it, and I did that.
At that time, did you have a specific goal? Did you say I'm going to lose 10 pounds in a week, 20 in a month? Or you just wanted to see what was going on?
Well, originally I started out having a goal, and then I weighed myself every week, which I do not recommend people doing because it's very depressing. And then I made a decision that I needed to just get to a place where I'm comfortable, I'm confident in myself, whether that weight is 150, 120, whether it be any of those numbers, I just need to get comfortable in myself. And that's what I did.
How much did you lose?
I lost about 40 pounds. Yeah.
40 pounds?
Yeah.
Over what period?
Over a 2-year period, actually.
So how did you do that? You changed your diet, I suspect, and then you started...
Well, I started out doing 30-minute YouTube videos. Then I progressed doing 5K walks in the morning. I changed my diet. I became a pescatarian. So I've been a pescatarian for almost 3 years now.
Right.
And that's just a person who eats only seafood and fish, right?
Right.
And then at about 1 year in my journey, I started going to the gym to do weightlifting and toning. So it was a combination of a lot of things.
So the weightlifting didn't put on back weight?
It put on muscles, yes. But I'm more toned now. I'm not fat. I don't have that much body fat. So I'm more toned. Yeah.
How difficult, if it was at all, was it for you to be that disciplined, to maintain the diet, to keep going to the gym, and the other things that I suspect you had to do to get to where you are?
It was very difficult because I did not really have that much support in terms of, I didn't have a gym partner or accountability partner. So when my mom was eating all the junk food, I had to, take my fish and my vegetable and go in one corner and eat it. So it's very, very hard. And because I had a goal and I knew where I wanted to be, I just kind of stuck to that and did what I had to do.
Yeah. You said before it wasn't about how many pounds you lost. It was just feeling confident. Are you there now?
I am 100% there now.
Fantastic.
I'm happier. I am more jovial. I'm not depressed. I mean, you look good, you feel good. That's like, I live by that saying, actually.
Yeah. And is it easier now to follow the rules and regulations that you have put yourself under?
It is. It's a lot easier because it became my lifestyle.
Right.
So I'm not tempted by fast food anymore. I love going to the gym, actually. If I don't go to the gym, I feel, off. I actually look forward to going to the gym now. And I do have gym partners or my friends that I go to the gym with. So gym is kind of like fun. It's really fun.
You go every day?
I go 5 days a week, yes.
Okay. And how often or how long do you spend in the gym?
Maximum 2 hours. Sometimes I have to stop myself. I'm like, I need to do it too much. When my body reach a point, I start feeling crap, and I'm like, all right, this is it for today. You need to go home.
2 hours seem long. Tell me about a Anique Fitness.
Okay, so in 2020, I posted a before and after photo, a photo of how I looked in 2017 and a photo of how I looked in 2020. And I got an overwhelming outpour of support. Persons were just so amazed at my change. And they actually wanted to know how I did it. But I realized that most persons, they were worried about the funds for going to the gym, or they didn't have the time to go to the gym. So I use that need to create a unique fitness. My company basically targets persons who want a full body workout but don't have the time or the money to go to the gym. So I sell equipment and gears that aid your at home workout basically.
Okay, I said unique fitness, but it's a unique
A
fitness.
unique fit. It's a play on my name.
Yeah,
Anique, a unique. Yeah.
yeah. And you do other things, don't you?
Yeah, yes. So I'm a freelance social media manager as well as I'm a full-time executive assistant.
So you work 27 hours a day.
Pretty much, yeah, pretty much.
Does that help your lifestyle or no?
It does, but I must say that rest is actually important, especially in your health journey. That's what a lot of people don't realize, that you need at least 6 to 7 hours rest. So what I do is I schedule my rest time. So after a certain hour or after a certain time during the day, I'm sleeping. I turn off my phone. I'm not on the internet. I'm just sleeping. That's my rest time.
Yeah.
Because my body needs to build back after that workout session that
Yeah.
I did the day or the day before.
I asked already about your discipline, and obviously you are disciplined.
Right.
I am like you. I eat only seafood, and I don't eat certain things. But then every now and again, some of the certain things that I don't eat, I feel to eat, and I just and I know it when mash me for a couple of days, but I still do a little thing. Does that happen to you at all, or are you just very strict and say no, no,
No.
no?
And never, I tell you, I haven't eaten anything apart from seafood in almost 3 years. I
No.
mean, I do get tempted by the smell, but I haven't had anything apart from seafood, mostly veg, ground provision. I haven't had rice in a really long time.
Yeah. No,
And
I kind of meant the little, what do you call them now? The little guilty pleasures. It's like,
oh, yeah.
it's like I said, I don't eat dairy, but every now and again I feel for some ice cream. I'm just gonna get some ice cream, and then it throw me off a couple of days, and then I move on again. That happens at all?
Yes, it does. I'm addicted to sweets actually, and chocolate. So yeah, it does happen. But as you say, you don't beat yourself up about it. You just get back and
Yeah,
just
that's
come back now.
exactly. You sound just like me. That's exactly what I do. Tell me about your other jobs now. The blogger. We said blogger, right?
No, social media manager.
Social media manager. So you say freelance. How people get to use you, and what do you do for them?
Okay, so basically I do marketing for companies. So if your company is in need of marketing, that's what I do. I post on a daily basis on my clients' social media pages. I respond to their inquiries. I respond to basically, I get clientele and lead them in the direction they want to go. That's what I do for social media manager.
And the other job?
Is an executive assistant. So I'm the executive assistant at an accounting firm here in Mandeville. Which is just a fancy word or a fancy name for assistant. So I'm basically my CEO's right hand man. That's it.
Fantastic. Anique, as we come to the end of the interview, for the folks who want to do what you have done and you continue to do, give them a word, because it is easier said than done, isn't it?
It is. It is.
Give them a
So
word.
if you want to start your weight loss journey, I say just start it. Don't wait until next week. Don't wait until next year. Start it. And don't weigh yourself every week. Do not weigh yourself every week, because you're going to discourage yourself. You need to just start right now. You're going to slip up, but that's okay. Nobody's perfect. Everybody started from somewhere. So it's better to just start now and fix it along the way.
Yep. Want to lose any more, or are you good now?
I'm good now. I'm just toning, you know.
Stay safe. Really, really great to see you, and thanks for speaking with us this morning, and continue to do what you do. Very impressed. I'm very, very impressed with what you have done and continue to do. So stay safe, all right?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Anique Bartley, fitness enthusiast, owner of A Unique Fitness. And as you heard, she does a couple other things also. All right, folks.